Times Now's Killer Potholes campaign has resulted several people in contacting to expose the situation of not only the local streets around their houses, but also how there is no end to potholes and the political blame game continues. In fact, a resident of Panchsheel Park contacted us to show that they feel that technically a very important locality here, several high-profile people also reside here. But what we noticed are, of course, these uneven roads, these uneven streets that perhaps need to be taken care of. Whether it comes under the PWD, whether it comes under the MCD, that remains to be seen. That is a battle that continues. But in fact, I'm currently also joined by Anju Mogia. Anju, you were watching those Times Now's reports and you decided to contact us. What exactly do you want to tell us about this road here in Panchsheel Park?
Well, I just want to bring to your notice that these roads have been lying like this for the last 3 years. We've brought it to the notice of the club, the president of the club, the secretary of the club. We have signed documents where we've put in everything to the club. They have taken no action. We have given this again the notice in 2015.
Why do you think they're not reacting? What do you think is the problem here? Because we can see the road is very uneven.
Well, what they say is this road belongs to the PWD. They are not sure whether it belongs to the PWD or the MCD. We are the highest taxpayers in the country.
What are the hassles that you face here?
You know, water collects here and then it's ground for mosquito breeding, like we all are aware with the dengue in the country. No action, nothing is being taken, and we are really agitated about this.
But is this also a street where a lot of traffic also commutes because this could be a service lane? But do you think it's imperative at night, especially I can see there are not many street lights? So do you think that becomes a problem?
That becomes a problem. We have tried at every level. The club has tried to stop the traffic, but since there's metro work commencing there and it's never ending, people try to come through this service lane all the time, breaking all the rules, but nothing.
So you're saying it becomes a breeding ground for mosquitoes. You're saying it's very uneven, so dangerous for a lot of people.
Not only that, senior citizens who want to walk, it's accident prone. We can come down towards the end of the road. If you see, there's no place for the car to even get in.
It's interesting that the MLA here is of the Aam Aadmi Party, the MPs of the BJP. There is fight between MCD, PWD. What do you, now that you're speaking here on camera, what do you want to say to those authorities, to those political leadership? What do you think they must do?
I think I have nothing to say. Everything is very clear. There's a fight between the centre and the BJP. So we really don't know whom to blame and where to take this forward.
All right, but do you hope that this will now be at least something should be done at the earliest?
Absolutely. Means we are taking time off to write this letters, going to the club, calling you people up. And I'm sorry to say, but in this colony, everybody is a who's who, including we have some top journalists from the TV, and nothing is being done here.
All right, so clearly this is one resident of the National Capital contacting Times Now stating that they want to join in with this campaign, and they say that this uneven road is not only dangerous, but during the monsoon season and when there is a heavy downpour, it becomes a breeding ground of dengue, which is clearly resulting in a lot of diseases. So we are talking about these stones in the middle of the streets. We are talking about these uneven roads as well. There are senior citizens, as they say, at night it becomes extremely dangerous, especially for two-wheelers and walkers. So definitely what really is the administration doing? Whether this road comes under the PWD, the MCD, that remains to be seen. That is a political blame game that continues. But perhaps it is eventually the taxpayer who's still waiting as to what will be done so their problems are solved. With Vijay Yogesh, Pooja Shali for Times Now.